Today, our disconnect with nature is costing our health. It is frowned upon, and children get scolded today to play in the mud. We keep washing our hands a zillion times, killing away all the good bacteria that is on the hands. That is good and beneficial for our skin. And when we eat food, those helpful bacteria become part of our gut bacteria and improve our immunity. Nature is made to heal us, exists to heal us, to nurture us for our well being. The more we are in this concrete world without the lack of nature around us, without having a place where we can work with the mud, grow plants, walk on the mud, to cleanse all our stress. Just walk barefoot in a green garden, or even if it's just a muddy garden, and just walk, just sit there for even half an hour, and you will feel quite a lot of all the stress and built up frustrations of life cleansing away, cleaning away. When we grow food, when we grow our own food, when we look after plants and treat them well, spend time with them, walk on the soil that we grow them on, give our DNA to the soil in the form of our saliva and so on, we will benefit because these plants that we are growing and caring for will read what ails us even before the ailment comes up to the surface and we notice them. These plants will create certain chemicals, certain medicines in their fruits, vegetables, or whatever, leaves, which we will consume and heal. Nature is very smart. It's sad that humans think that we are the smartest living things on this planet, but it is nature and the animals that are still attuned with the rhythm of nature that are much smarter and brilliant than all of us. The more we connect, the more we go back to our circadian rhythm, the more we become subtle in our interactions with nature, the better we get physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. We heal as a complete being, not just feel nice for a few minutes and then feel drained again. No, it's a complete change and it's a complete healing that we go through. So let's try to give nature the chance to nurture and heal us all. Hope you transcend spiritually.